Many ecologists and environmentalists, starting with the work of Stuart Pickett in the 1990s, have started to recognize that cities are themselves ecosystems and are not wholly separate from nature. Urban ecosystems are considered heterogeneous, dynamic systems that can be studied using the tools developed by ecologists originally designed to study the natural world. This includes a study of populations, community organization, the biotic and abiotic environment, and the role of anthropogenic or human-made things like technology. Urban ecosystems are made up of many parts, including the people who live in cities and the structures that humans live and work in, which are typically made of concrete. Green areas like parks and golf courses, streams and rivers, and swamps and other wetlands, as well as urban infrastructure like sewers and wastewater treatment plants. All these things, as well as the animals and plants that live in cities, make up the urban ecosystem. Urban ecosystems are obviously very different than natural ecosystems in many ways. One important way is that unlike natural ecosystems that cycle things like nutrients internally, keeping them within the ecosystem, cities are dynamic open systems where materials come in, are converted, and then leave the system on the other side. Inputs into cities include fuel, clean water, clean air, food, raw and refined materials like metals, and consumer products. These items are used, bought and sold, consumed, and converted in cities. Out of this consumption, things like waste heat and greenhouse gases, wastewater and water pollution, air pollution, and trash come out. Many cities are centers of nutrient pollution, since food needs to be imported into cities to feed their population, and that waste can end up in local waterways or in landfills. However, cities also have positive outputs like goods and services, as well as education and political and cultural ideology. Studies of urban ecosystems aim to reduce the negative outputs of cities while making cities more comfortable for the humans and animals that make cities